Alright, lips are done. I'm looking pretty good. Now it's time for the box. Oh yeah, this is gonna be great! Look at all these colors! They're so cool! They're gonna look great on my hair. Which one should I start with? Yellow it is! Time to get this hair color started. That's right, all the colors! I want rainbow hair! That should be enough. Now to rub it all in. It's time to check on my hair! I can't wait! Oh no! No. My hair! I'm bald! Gotta make a stop at my locker to put my books away. Might as well touch up my hair while I'm here. Just like that. Nice and smooth. Oh, wow. Look at her hair. It's so full and, well, fluffy. Wow, even the angels are singing about her hair. Wow, you're so beautiful. You're like a goddess. Here, I brought you a gift. My favorite stapler. I brought you a gift, too. Look at all the gifts she's getting from those cute boys. Why can't my hair be like that? So I can get gifts, too. Maybe I can give my hair some volume with my comb. This is totally gonna work. I just know it. Done! This'll get me some attention. Wait, why does my hair feel like that? Oh no! I'm like the bride of Frankenstein! I'll have to hide behind this book. Alright, boys. That's enough. On your way. I can't believe how much attention my hair gets me. Huh? What's that behind the book? Oh, she definitely needs some hair help. Hey, what you got going on over here? Oh, nothing. I was just, trying something new. Listen, don't worry. I can help you out with that. All we need is some hairspray and this clip. This is really all it takes? Are you sure? First, you're gonna take the clip and clip the hair at the top of your head. Then you're going to start spraying with the hairspray. Now you're going to use the blow dryer to dry it. Perfect! Just like that! Now it's time to take out the clip. Look at all that volume! And it was so easy to do! Wow! My hair is so much poofier than usual! I feel like a supermodel! Thank you so much for your hair help! You're welcome! Use your new hair powers wisely! Hi, boys! I feel so rested. Oh, that's right! I put curlers in my hair! I can't wait to take them out! Might as well get started! I hope my hair turned out great! That's the first one unwrapped. There goes number 2. I bet my hair is full of curls. Aw, what? It's still straight! Like usual! I was supposed to have gorgeous curls! It's just not fair! I want curls! What is it? What happened? What's wrong? My hair isn't curly! Seriously? That's why you're crying? Listen, give me 1 second. We can give you curls just using your flat iron. This makes hair flatter, not curlier. How do you think I get my locks like this? Oh! Okay! I think I get it! Okay, I'll just section out my hair, and then twist it all the way to the very end so it's nice and tight. And now it's time to use the flat iron. I'll just heat my twisted hair like this. The twists turn into curls once I let go. It's so easy! It might even be better than a curling iron. They're so bouncy! I love them! Hey, are you paying attention? Oh, yes, I'm paying attention. It's time to get ready for school. Oh, weirdo. My hair is so beautiful now! Okay, I think this is the next shade I need to use. Almost there, but it needs something else. What color should I choose? Blue! It's definitely a blue day. Yep, this will definitely make my look pop. Just a little bit though. Not too much. Oh no, I got it all over my hair! Oh, what a dumb mistake. I've just ruined my entire look. Wait a second. I think I'm getting an idea. This could totally work! Okay, I'll need a cup or bowl, and then I'll need some styling gel. I'll just put a bunch of the gel in the bowl. That should be a good amount. Now it's time for the next step. The glitter! I'll just dump all this glitter into the bowl with the gel. It's so pretty! I love it! And now I'm gonna use this stick to mix the glitter and the gel. Ooh, it's so sparkly and jelly! Pink, orange, and blue! They'll look great! I'll start with the orange. I'll need a paintbrush. Now I'll just paint it on my hair like this. It's so sparkly! This is turning out great! Now it's time for some blue. Look how pretty it is! I'll just make colored stripes all on the side of my hair. Done! This looks amazing! Look at how it glitters and shines! I'm a genius! This is my best idea ever! I can't get over how gorgeous this is. I definitely need to Instagram this look. Looks like I made it to class early. That gives me time to get all my things in order. Whoa! What's that blinking light? Huh. Who knows? Ah! Oh my god! A monster! A ghost! It's coming for me! Stay away, you fiend! Ow! What the heck, Madison? It's just me. You didn't have to hit my head. Oh, thank goodness. But I'm sorry I hit you. But, I mean, you're looking pretty rough today. I slept terribly. Stayed up too late watching scary movies. Yeah, I guess that will do it. Ugh, my hair is driving me bonkers, though. Why won't it just stay out of my face? Okay, I think I've got it under control. Or not? Shoot! I guess I just have to spend the day like this. Wow. Her hair looks really out of control. Wait! I bet there's something I can do to help. Hey! I have an idea for fixing your hair! And all we'll need to use is this pencil to keep it out of your face. Step 1. Take the pencil and slide it under a section of hair. Then you're gonna start twisting it over and under. Make sure you grab more hair each time you twist. Once you get behind the ear, hold it in place, remove the pencil, and use a pin. Then let's repeat it on the other side. Over and under, just like on the other side. Then bobby pin it or clip it into place. And now your hair is pulled away from your face. It looks pretty too, with all the twisting. Wow! My hair is pulled back and it looks so nice! Thanks, Madison! You're welcome! But you're gonna need some help with those dark circles under your eyes.
Delish! Oh snap! What's this? Ew, yuck! Where did this come from? Huh? Ugh. Oh my. Let me help ya. Give me that. Let's pull up your shirt like this. And voila! Wow, thanks. About time. Oh, bedtime. Nighty-night. Morning already? What's happening? I can't move! Someone help! What's the deal? Oh, gosh, how did this happen? Hold tight, I gotcha! Not working. Hang on, got an idea. Help!
At your service. What's up?
Hey, check this out. Hi.
Really? Don't waste my time.
Hey, where are you going? Oh. Okay, I'll free you. See? Yay! So, moving on. Come on, you can do it! Ouch! What's that? Don't worry, my hair's fine. See? Wow! All good. Oh, got a text. Oh, gotta run. Hey, don't leave me here! Nice breeze. right? Not really! Ow! Your hair's a mess! Not funny! Ow! Ouch! Ugh. Her hair's way too long. Let's fix that. Just put a hairpin here, and here, and here. Done! Wow, much better. Thanks! So let's see what's trendy now. Wow! This looks really great! Maybe I should cut my hair short too? I think so. Let's do this! Oh, is this really a good idea? What to do? Oh, I got an idea. Let's see what we've got here. This won't do. Neither this. What's this? Nope. Oh, this should work. First, push the hair back. Wrap it up like this. Tie a half knot. Drop it down. And lift it up like this. Now tie it into a bow like this. There! Short hair without a cut. No fair! What? My hair's too short to tie back. But that's fixable. Watch. Wow! Let's try! Just pop this on top. And done! Awesome! Looks totally real. Look, now I'm gonna be the trendsetter. No, short hair is in style now. Not true! Nothing beats a post-shower vibe. Time to dry off. Whoa! Too powerful! This is no hair dryer! It's like a hurricane! Oh, got an idea. Let's put this on my head. Make a hole here. And start drying. Wow, this is actually fun. All done. Hair's dry. Perfect. Finally got cleaned up. Now to dry my hair. Ugh. Why is it taking so long? What happened? No way! My hair's still wet! Oh, what do I do? What's up with your hair? Wet? Chill. I've got an idea. First, secure one end of the rope here. And the other here. All set. Now grab a clothespin and hang your hair strips out to dry like laundry. Like this. Never tried it this way before. Relax, just gotta wait. Time. Let's see how it turned out. Wow, it worked! Thanks. No problem. Now I gotta deal with the laundry. Ugh. Time for cleanup! Let's have some fun! Fire! Gotcha! Ouch! Uh-oh! What was that? Weird. Well. Wahaha! Pew! Ouch! Ouch! What's this? Where did this come from? Well, might be useful. There. This is better. Gotta hide! Much better. What's this? Now I get it. I'll show you. Ow! Ow! Stop! I was just playing. Let go! Okay. But first, let's give you a ponytail.